Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Explan of Remedy. Today I will share with you how to use onion juice for hair, regrowth, dandruff, hair fall control, premature graying of hair. I present to you in this video hair extension recipe. First we need onion with its peels. Nutrients in the onion juice applied to the hair may nourish the hair follicles, which might increase volume, shine, and improve hair strength. The extra nutrition may also minimize breakages and thinning. As well as conditioning, using onion juice may also promote new hair growth in some people. Cut an onion with its peel. Second, we need 3 cloves of garlic peeled. Garlic has antimicrobial properties that help kill germs and bacteria, which are responsible for causing damage to the scalp, further inhibiting hair growth. Raw garlic is known to be rich in vitamin C content that is great for promoting hair health. It also boosts collagen production that helps stimulate hair. Third, we need clove. 2 tablespoons of cloves. The warming effect of clove oil helps increase blood circulation in the scalp and stimulates hair follicles, thus boosting hair growth. Applying a few drops of clove oil, add a large cup of very hot water. Leave it for 30 minutes. Mash the mixture in the electric mixer. In a strainer, halve the mixture. Apply it in the scalp with a piece of cotton. Massage it well into the scalp. Then apply it all over the hair. Put on a plastic hat. Leave it for 60 minutes. Wash hair with shampoo and conditioner. Use the home remedy to double hair growth. So friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now. Thank you for watching.